experiment here on oscillating red switch. So basically I have here a red switch and a bifelar coil, and this is the magnet at the back to help it vibrate. I mean, to help the red switch vibrate here. And the red switch is connected to the power source at this end, and the other end is connected to the coil itself, and the other side of the coil is connected to the power source. Okay, and the coil is rectified. So these two yellow lines here are connected to the coil, and the output of this rectifier is dumped into this capacitor. This capacitor is a 450 volts capacitor. And see, let's fire it up and see how it works. And by the way, I have also connected the red switch into the oscilloscope, so we would know how it works and how it behaves under the scope. Okay, so let's start running. It didn't run. Okay, there we go. So in this case, I use 5.5 volts power at 0.35 milliamps. Oh, it stops again. Okay. So this is not a very good red switch, so I just use a cheap one, but it's just for experiment anyway. Okay, let's run it up again. So this 3.2 volts are at 0.40 milliamps, and let's see how much it outputs. Let's short first the capacitor. There you go. It's now shorted, and then let's see the output of the capacitor. Look at the voltage it generates. So there you go. It's generating 270 volts, 26 volts, 300, and up and climbing. And the input voltage and power is 3.5 volts at 0.38 milliamps. I don't know how it generates this lot of voltage. I know we capture the back EMF using the the diode rectifier and dump it into the capacitor. So now let's see how the scope looks like. It's just interesting to see this oscillation at the top, and then the resonant oscillation at the middle. So it's double oscillation, I guess. Okay, so higher view. Yeah, basically that's how it looks like. So here is the back EMF spikes that we captured. It's really long spikes. That's why the voltage it's now reaching for 397 volts. So I have to short the capacitor again. Where's my capacitor? There you go. Look at this power of this thing. Oh, that's a lot of power. And it's back to 180 and climbing 200. Let's short again the capacitor. Again. So that's a lot of power from 3.3 volts at 3.33 amps source. So I'm not sure how to make use of this power anyway. So if you have any comments on how to make use of this generated power, please put on your comments below. That's all, and have a good day. Thank you. Bye bye. Just once more, we have to short the capacitor. It's now at 350 volts. Fire it up. Fire in the hole. There you go. 150. Climbing again. And then fire in the hole. Take cover. Boom. Alright. See you. Bye bye.